Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ciara Jonee. So today I'm coming with a quick little video. I've been getting some questions about what do you need to start a t-shirt business, and where can you get the supplies from, what can you order, where can you get nice reasonable t-shirts. So I wanted to give you guys a little bit of insight, because when I first started this, I did not know what I was doing. Let me tell y'all, Google is your best friend. YouTube is your best friend. If you can find videos on different things that you're doing, like videos, like similar things that you're doing, do that. Look for that. It's all about research, 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 research. I don't have any issue with asking questions or answering questions or trying to be helpful, but you have to do your research and, find out what works best for you. So I will say the first thing that I think you need to do is have a nice computer. I have an HP laptop about maybe 2 years ago, and it's been doing pretty well. So I have the HP, I guess it's an i3 processor, is what I use. Um, and I haven't had any issues with it. It's been holding up well. It works good with my Silhouette software that I use to make my t-shirts in. It does good with my updates and everything like that. So I would recommend getting a good laptop or computer with a great processor. That's number one. Number two, I would advise you guys to get either the Cricut. I think that's how you say it. Cricut. The Cricut, if you're looking to do vinyl, or the Cameo Silhouette. I have the Cameo 3 Silhouette that I purchased from eBay, and it came with like a starter bundle, and it came with like vinyl, HTV, heat transfer vinyl, along with some of the 651 vinyl for like decals. It came with the blades, the tools. It came with like little tools like this to help weed the vinyl out. I use this when I'm using my cardstock to be able to kind of scrape it up off of my mat. It came with the mat as well. This is not the one that came with the original. I have since purchased so many more mats. And you can get those from eBay or Amazon, Michael's, Hobby Lobby as well. So like I said, I have the Cameo 3 Silhouette. I've been having it for almost 2 years now. I have the designer edition. That way I'm able to import my SVGs um, and design my shirts if I need to. Um, it's a really cool feature. And I actually got the upgrade. I didn't pay for it through the Cameo Silhouette website. I went to, oh my gosh, it was a craft vinyl website. I'll find it. I'll put the link down below. And they had a promotion going on, so I ended up getting the designer edition upgrade for half off, which was really amazing. So I did that, and that was a couple of years ago. And I haven't upgraded to the business or anything. The designer edition works well for me, so that's what I've been using. And then last, um, what you would need out of the top things that you would need to get this t-shirt business or whatever, t-shirts, decals, making stickers. I mean, you can make a ton of things with this machine, but if you want to do t-shirts, sweatshirts, pants, socks, underwear, whatever, you have to get you a heat press. And this is the 15 by 15 inch heat press, and I purchased this heat press from Amazon for $189, and it is the clamshell. As you can see, it's kind of dusty. My basement is getting super dusty, but it is the clamshell heat press. I have the clamshell heat press, and I bought that a few months ago. And when I first started, I had the swing away, and for my space that I work in, it wasn't suitable for that space. I didn't have enough room to swing it around and get my images straight on my t-shirts. So I opted to get a power press from Amazon, and it was $189, as I stated, very cheap, very affordable. So it's not like you have to spend buku money in order to start the business. You can do it at a very affordable price and make a great profit. So I say my computer was about 350. The Cameo, was it like two something? Like two something, because I got the bundle. It came with the different vinyl and the tools and things like that. He pressed 200. The first one I bought was about 200. So it's very affordable to start. You can find t-shirts and sweatshirts wholesale for a reasonable price. You can find heat transfer vinyl. I use a Caesar Easy Weed, Siser Easy Weed, HTV, and they have the stretchy kind, they have the reflective kind, they have the holographic kind, they have the black, the white, the red, the pink, the purple, any kind of vinyl you want, glitter, sparkle, any kind of vinyl you want, they have that. And it's very cheap. You can buy it by the 12 by 12 sheet, 12 by 12 inch sheets, or you can buy it by the foot, by the roll. So they have options if you're on a budget, you're just starting out, and you're looking for something affordable, but you still want to get your t-shirt business going. Just do your research. You know, compare your prices. Don't go with the first thing that you see, because you see it there. Don't buy the first thing that you did. That's my mistake. I bought my first heat press just thinking, okay, that is cute and cool, whatever, but it wasn't practical for me. So just do your research. Make sure you get what you want. Make sure you find great quality t-shirts and great quality vinyl. The heat press, you can shop around. There may be more cheaper ones than that. They have the 12 by 15. They even have a 16 by 20 heat press for larger garments. So that's just a short little tip video. Just for the three major things that you would need: computer, cutter, vinyl cutter, and a heat press. And you can get your shirts and vinyl off Amazon. You can find wholesalers that do shirts for cheaper, maybe $2, $1, and some change per shirt. So this is a very affordable business to start, you know, for yourself, to have something on your own, because it's always good to be your own boss. And you guys to work full time. I work a full time job and I do my business on the side. And I hope to one day be able to do my business full time, so I'm just working at it. But like I said, it's very inexpensive to start your business. And you can make a great profit from it. You can do family reunion shirts, baby. I mean, it's the limit. There's no limit to the things that you can do when it comes to having a business like this. So, answered you guys' questions. I know I got emails and messages or whatever, but I hope that helps somebody, so that you're able to start your business and get it off the ground. If you have any other questions, I'll link my email address below, and you can always comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.